I scratched our nearly new Corolla Cross.
This feels a little bit like paint transfer. There's just a tiny bit of raise here. The paint maybe just transferred from the door frame onto this. We'll see if it can wash out.
At first I wasn't sure if this was paint transfer or actual damage. Let's start with the simplest fix. Maybe it'll wash right off. Nope. The white mark is still there. Time for a closer look. Before trying anything abrasive, I wanted to see if some of this white mark was actually transferred paint. Just using a very gentle progression here, isopropyl alcohol, just to see if we can remove it. Looks like some of this is coming up actually. A little bit of alcohol has taken this right out. So this is paint transfer from the garage onto our Toyota. And a little bit of alcohol looks like it might be the secret. Now it looks like my lucky day here, we're gonna have most, if not all, this paint removed just with a little bit of alcohol. So the paint transfer is gone. What's left isn't white paint anymore. It's the actual scratch. One last thing to try. The paint transfer is completely gone. The scratch is still there if you look very closely, but it's much less noticeable. Could I remove more clear coat chasing perfection? Probably. But we plan to keep this vehicle for a long time. I'd rather preserve the factory finish than remove good clear coat trying to erase one small scratch. For me, that's a win. That's about as far as I'm willing to go. From a normal standing distance, you hardly notice it anymore. Or, you really have to know where to look now.